Children falling out of shopping carts account for over 20,000 injuries per year involving small children. In fact, falling out of shopping carts is the leading fall-related injury to children under 5 years of age. Children visit the emergency room with head and brain injuries resulting from shopping cart falls, in addition to cuts, bruises, and broken limbs. Many stores are unaware of the ASTM's shopping cart safety standard. Retailers have the hardest duty under this standard, which says they must keep the carts and restraints in good working order at all times. This means the best performing products are critical. With so many injuries per year, so much depends on product performance and safety. So it is advantageous to choose the best performing product and the company who is clearly the leading expert as your supplier. When SafeStrap created the very first restraints for shopping carts over 40 years ago, we innovated many important features that go into our design. Our belts have features such as break-resistant buckles and hardware, child-resistant buckles, high-strength no-tools fastening, and UV-stable and weather-resistant webbings. Our R&D has yielded well over 100 patents worldwide. All of these innovations don't just meet the ASTM standard, but they exceed it and contribute to unmatched durability, longevity, and performance. They say imitation is the sincerest form of flattery, but when it comes to child safety, we don't think so. We're not flattered to see our innovations copied by others that produce overseas. Absent the critical knowledge, expertise, features, materials, procedures, and all the necessary oversight that goes into producing a reputable safety product. They don't know what they're copying. They just send out a sample to dubious sources to be made cheaply as possible. Then these cheap items are marked up significantly and held out as equivalents to SafeStrap. When they fail to perform like a SafeStrap, the retailer, parent, and child are put at risk. Then it's time to buy another one. Who benefits most from that practice? Don't fall for these cheap knockoffs. Always specify SafeStrap brand. It's easy to spot a SafeStrap seatbelt. You can see the word SafeStrap molded right into the buckle. Furthermore, SafeStrap brand provides unparalleled products liability insurance. We provide over $10 million in product liability insurance written in broad form, which means when you use a SafeStrap product, your company is automatically co-insured under our policy. Also, the shopping cart manufacturers and the shopping cart service companies that purchase SafeStrap products are also co-insured. What this means to you is, if you have an accident or injury, as long as all of your restraints are SafeStrap brand, you'll be covered. Alternatively, if you don't specify SafeStrap brand and instead have restraints from mixed suppliers, it hinders your defense and creates problems in the subrogation of the claim. The sooner you begin specifying the SafeStrap brand, the better. We have loads of colors and designs, and because SafeStrap is a vertical manufacturer, we can do a custom design for you that is only limited by your imagination. We hope this helped you to see why nothing else performs like the SafeStrap, store tested and trusted for over 40 years. For further information about SafeStrap shopping cart seatbelts or other safety equipment for the retail environment, visit www.safestrap.com.